Have you ever had PowerPoint suddenly crash, freeze, or just stop responding right when you need it most? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you a simple but powerful trick to fix it. How to open Microsoft PowerPoint in safe mode. This quick guide will work perfectly in 2025 and beyond. So, what exactly is safe mode? Safe mode starts PowerPoint with only the essential features. No add-ins, extensions, or custom settings. It's like giving PowerPoint a fresh start, making it easier to identify what's causing the problem. Here's how to open PowerPoint in safe mode. First, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. Next, type this command exactly. powerpnt.exe/safe, then hit enter or click OK. And that's it. PowerPoint will now open in safe mode. You'll notice the words safe mode displayed at the top of the PowerPoint window. If PowerPoint runs smoothly in safe mode, that means one of your add-ins or custom settings is likely causing the issue. You can then disable add-ins one by one to find the culprit and get your PowerPoint back to normal. It's that easy. If this guide helped you fix your PowerPoint problems, make sure to like this video, share it with others who might need it, and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.